Hello, welcome back to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. Today we're going to go over us removing our couch and replacing it with a Lazy Boy double recliner chair. It was a job taking it out and getting it. The guys really did a good job putting it in, but there's some issues with it, and I guess we're just going to have to live with it. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll tell you how my Battleborn batteries performed. I actually left the vehicle, the RV unplugged for over 2 days with not much running, just the residential refrigerator and the some of the lights. So stick around to the end of the video. Alright, after the bolts came out of that, they slid it out onto a carpet so we didn't hurt the floor. But you can see it's got the seat belts behind it and the bolts too for the couch, and our chairs will go, the recliners will go right in here. That'll give me a bird's eye view of how to wire my wiring in too. Okay, next step, take it apart.
We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive. The salty breeze in my lungs, and back to where I'm from. The salty breeze in my lungs. On and on and on and on. Salty breeze and the waves, the slower pace. The salty breeze and the waves. I'm at the right place.
What I did was I drilled a place on the side here that I'm gonna run the cord for the recliners, power recliners, and then instead of going all the way through that other side like Dina had first said to plug in that plug, I didn't want to leave something on that side so much, so I went inside the cabinet, which I will put some rubber around that, make it look a little bit nicer. But it beats $275 is what the RV dealership wanted me to pay them to do the electricity. Okay, well, she can recline, looks pretty good. The dog, we can get the dog out off of it, we'll be pretty good shape.
See you on the road.
Okay, I know I was going to tell y'all, I left the motorhome unplugged for 2 days, 2 24-hour days. May have been a little bit longer. And nothing on it other. The only thing I was running was the residential refrigerator. We didn't do anything else in here, maybe a light here and there, but nothing else. and it got down to 34% on my Battleborn lithium batteries. So I pulled down and plugged up this morning, and it took 6 hours to charge them completely up with it plugged in. So that's not bad. I don't know, I'm anxious to get out and try it with us running the TVs, plugging in, you know, find out how long they will last without having any charge factor on them. But I'm really looking forward to getting solar. So I mentioned this before, I've got a couple of guys that said they could do it for me. I'm just too old to be climbing all over the roof. My wife wants me to get somebody, and my insurance does too. So I'm going to try to hire somebody. But I really wish I could get it somewhere in the southeast. I would be able to get somewhere on the eastern seaboard or southeast where I'd be able to get it done before I go out west. But everybody seems to be out west. So I don't know. We'll make it happen. I plan on trying to get 14 to 1600 watts of solar on the roof.